Staffies, what is up? Welcome to another video. And, so, today I am playing more Royale High because that's what we do in this channel. Play Royale High and, possibly shout out my Beanie Boo channel. Because why not? Okay. Well, no. That woman. So, today, guys, I am accompanied by my friend. Okay. Yeah, she's just, my phone is just stood up with the mic. We actually live, like, really far away from each other. But it's fine. It's fine.
Wow, so far away, guys. That is, your math equation, and today we will be getting presents for me.
Oh. And so, guys, today I'm also going to be showing you the Christmas update. As you can see, I'm all ready for Christmas. I'm the principal, because actually, I'm the principal of the Royale High School now. In almost every server. How do I teleport to you if you're not my friend?
I'm on my, normal account now.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna... I can't... Okay, wait. Why isn't this not working? Ugh, it won't work.
I have 5% battery.
Oh, sorry, I missed so many of your calls.
Yeah, I feel sad at you for that, but okay.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I was just like...
Oh.
Why is this not working? It won't work. Come on! Work! Your apartment is locked, but they won't let me in your server.
Come to my apartment. How I did that? It's because some friends that Ash made friends with.
Oh wait, okay.
Hell no, girl. Stay away.
Okay, wait, friend. I gotta go to profile, and then I gotta go to friends, and then I gotta find you, and then I gotta, yeah. Where is the person? Emily Ban. Bunny, whatever her name is. You know what? Guys, this is something you might be hearing on the channel sometime. Or because you know what? Sometimes I just have nothing to say to this world. So that's what I do.
Sometimes you will hear E and B, and that is from me.
My voice. Okay, wait. So we have to go here. Yes, please.
Now I gotta go to Royale High School.
Okay, wait, friend. I can't find you.
I am in SS Cotton Candy account now.
I know, but it says that you're sleeping. It says that you're just dead. You're dead. You don't exist.
Okay, just close your page and then open it again. Close your page and then make a new.
It says that the place I attempted to go into is restricted.
I know that happens a lot.
Why won't it work?
That happens to me.
Come on, stupid game. I just want to play with my friend, you idiots.
Cat, okay, join Royale High. Okay, you join Royale High, and then just go to me, TP to me. No, don't TP to me. Join, like, Royale High, the game.
Okay.
Where you can study and stuff like that, and go there and out and out.
Yeah, Buster, come here right now. or you're not getting the chocolate today. Okay, I'm the principal. You're the co-principal.
For what?
For the school. I'm the principal of the school. In any server you see me in of this realm, I am in the principal. I am the principal. I'm Principal Cat. Someone just went in my office.
I have a hack getting in Roblox without updating it.
What? What happened?
I know a hack to get in Roblox without updating it.
Oh? How do you do that?
I just like press update and then I'll just go to the Printer Plus Roblox really quick before even it shows the update and then I'll just let me in.
Excuse me, get out of my chair. I'm the principal.
Let me TP to you.
Okay, wait. I'm just gonna say to this girl.
Cat, I gotta talk to you privately. So can you just move me away from the mic and move your chair away from the mic so then I can talk to you private?
Okay. Okay, wait, guys. I'm gonna end the part. It's so hard being a principal, but it's fun. I get to yell at kids, help them with their homework, tackle them down, tell Cletus to clean the ground, so I can burn the ground.
I don't want to be the vice president. I want to be a student.
All right. This is hilarious. I expect to see the
You expect to see me in your office because I did something very bad.
Alright. Roleplay time, guys. In the intercom. Ocean, I expect you to be in my office now, please.
Okay, you have to give out cupcakes for everyone.
Oh. I am sure mad at that kid. I can't believe what she did.
That this time. Calls on me and picks on me. I'm coming!
Oh.
Principal, I'm coming, don't worry.
Okay. Oh.
Voice is very bad.
Now I gotta wait for this.
I'm sorry. I was in baking class. I couldn't come as quickly as you asked me to.
Okay. Have a seat.
You forgot the diamonds, didn't you?
So, some students have been telling me, quite a few of them, at least 5 students, have been telling me that you have done several bad things this week. You've skipped 2 classes in one day. You've spray painted in the hallways. I'm not sure about that one, because I have not seen any proof or evidence that you did. I was also told that you had come in my office and switched something with grading. Can you explain this?
It's all rumors. I would never do that. I'm an A+ student. I could never do it. You can ask my parents. I've always been an A+ student. So it's all rumors.
I'll let you off the hook for a while, but I I swear, if I catch you doing any funny business, you're gonna go sploosh onto the wall, young lady.
Principal, you made me miss English class.
Well, you were supposed to come talk to me in the office about the information. So please feel free to go to class or get lunch. Kids. I guess I can go have some fun checking out the rest of the school. Yeah, I guess so.
I should probably get ready.
I guess I'll go hang out in the library for a while. I must make sure that all the books are in the proper positions in the different categories.
Excuse me, can we have pause for roleplay? Wish I had all the problems. Then I get to the teacher. The principal, I mean. I don't know what to do. Come back with you now. Better not fill art class. Teacher's gonna get me. You can go now, huh?
Okay, I must get to that art class, because today I will be the substitute for Miss Cranberry. Let's go to art.
Almost finished. Done. Just gotta put that back there. Where all the art brushes go? Yeah, but you came this, put it here.
Okay, class. Hello.
Oh, hello, Principal.
Hello. Today I will be the teacher for almost every class, because as you guys were informed, Miss Cranberry and Mr. Jeremy are absent today.
Oh, Miss Principal, I already finished my art, and I put it up at the wall where we put all the paintings, and I put the canvas back, so you know I finished it.
Hey, Principal Cat. Hello. I'm Luna. New here. Okay.
I gotta get that confidence.
Bye-bye. Okay, now I must leave the class to make sure that all students are doing what they need to do. Okay. Well. Time to go into my office and check. But I want to film it. Okay, you know what, guys? See what happens in the next part. Goodbye.